Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pacifica, local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring the right team for your local or long-distance move will make a difference. This type of move might be one state over or all the way across the country. No matter how far things need to travel, we provide the services you desire. Our team will load the truck, transport everything, and unload everything for you. We also offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you choose a California moving company for your local move, you gain convenience. This service provides time-saving benefits along with energy-saving benefits. You can arrive at your new location with energy, and you can get there fast. Since we take care of all the heavy lifting, you have less to worry about on moving day. 3 Movers will take your move and streamline it for you. We add efficiency to your moving day. A move that will normally take you to 3 days, we can do in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pacifica moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.